Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. So first we want to adjust media and the call volume. This is very important because we want to make sure that there's volume enabled. And first we're going to open up phone app and press the volume up. Now this is the way that we increase call volume. And to increase media volume, all you can do is go to the home screen and press the volume up too. As you guys can see, it's at 400%. This is a boost. And now what are we going to do is we're going to disable the not disturb. So go to settings. In the settings, go to sound and vibration and scroll a bit down until you see sound options. Go to do not disturb and make sure that the switch is gray and white and not blue and white. So after disabling do not disturb, what are we going to do is we're going to clean the speaker or a headphone port. And for this phone exactly, the headphone port is just the charging port. And here we have the first speaker grill and the second one on the top. So after we clean those three things, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone to refresh the system. We're going to press the power button, volume up button, and swipe down to reboot the device. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is simply update your software. So we're going to go over into settings, go to about phone, and tap on HyperOS. Now we want to make sure that we are on the latest version here so that you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.